Yes, hi everyone. David Marshall here from Camino. Wanted to share briefly our virtual inspection tool. Uh, One of the things we are finding interesting after COVID here is a lot of cities are coming on board to improve customer service, certainly to eliminate drive times and save. There's a lot of permits out there that really cost more to go out and inspect than you're receiving. So to help with that. Also, we have happier customers. They're able to, because you guys can fit more inspections in each day. Big thing we like to emphasize with virtual inspections is it's not for all inspections, but there are those smaller projects, HVAC repair, electrical work, minor repairs, but also code enforcement follow-up inspections can be done over virtual inspections as well. So some of the benefits we're bringing over the FaceTimes and Google Duo. Number one, the virtual inspector does not need to be a mini IT tech helping people load software and applications. There are no software or applications. You don't have to worry what kind of phone they have or any of that stuff. Also, we are recording the video and allowing you to take notes, make annotations, capture, even do capture locations. And we're automatically creating an inspection report for you that will include those pictures and all the information you have. Lastly, which was a big request from some of our customers, is to be able to schedule inspections and allow applicants to be able to request virtual inspections. But let's jump in. Now we have, well, I won't go too far into this, but we do allow our customers to be able to have a web page where residents can request an inspection. So simply coming here, they can fill in all the information, request a day, and then select whether they'd like it in the morning or afternoon. We don't allow them to select a specific time, but allow you to do that when you receive the inspection request. For our users, they have a, we set up with their email as an address where they can come in and log in and very easily sign in. And in signing in, they are coming to this initial landing page. Important to know, this is where they want to go when they come to this landing page. And in clicking on virtual inspections, you will see that they have at the top 3 options. They have those requested inspections that are coming in from that website, upcoming inspections, which are scheduled inspections. So some of our cities like to schedule their virtual inspectors for every 15 minutes. They have an inspection. And so now these inspectors can simply sit down and start these inspections. All the information is already filled out. We also have completed inspections. So now all the inspections that you have done are saved here. You can see where I can see right now my inspections, or I can see all the inspections from, in essence, the entire department out there in that example. And in coming into these inspections, I have the ability to review any of these inspections. And in clicking on these, you can see I see the details of the inspection, as well as an inspection report and an inspection recording, which I can download. Okay, but jumping into the tool itself, one simple way to start an inspection versus having it scheduled for you is simply to click up here, click Start Inspections. Really, the only information you need is the individual's cell phone number and the type of inspections. We can set this up to be drop-down options for you that are configured by you. And so you can select one of these. The other information is optional, but is helpful sometimes in finding it in the completed pieces. You can also add attendees. So as many as you want. If you want to invite additional people beyond yourself and the person on the other end that will be kind of showing you the location. And then you can see down here at the bottom, we have the ability to start the inspection with a recording or to start it without a recording. So when you do start these inspections, the individual on the other end will receive this text message saying your name is ready to start the inspection. Join by simply clicking on this link. Then it will ask for access to their microphone. They click allow. Access to their camera. They would click allow, and then it will ask them to put their name in, right? When they do that, this is what they will see on their phone, right? So they'll see, in essence, what their phone camera is showing. If they are being recorded, they'll show that. They do have the ability to mute their camera, disable the camera, or leave in that way. So, but on the side of the inspector, this is what you will see. Now you can access this from an iPad, a laptop, desktop. You can also even access it from your mobile device. But in this example, you're going to see the basic information, permit number, what type of inspection it was. We also have, though, a location verification here. So we're telling you, using the GPS of this person's phone, where they are. So you don't have to run through a lot of additional steps, or worse, be fooled with someone being at a different location, pretending they're at their existing location. You also have the ability here to click on this link and open this location up in Google Maps and see it in more detail if you want. And then you also have the ability to see your signal strength and the signal strength of the person that you are inspecting, right? So if the inspection does get a little wonky, so to speak, you can look over and see, is it their phone that's in a bad signal area or yours? But after that, hopefully you guys are seeing this is a very easy to use tool. Not complicated, not a lot of buttons, and that's on purpose. You can see here, if we come up to this area, you can turn on the individual's flashlight if they have an Android phone. We also have a very powerful tool, which is this pointer. So if you're in an inspection, you can ask the person, and they'll see this pointer on their screen, on their phone, and say, I need you to get up close and show me this. Or I need you now to come down and get close and show me this. So versus you trying to talk them through this, they can virtually see what you want them to see and go there. So pretty powerful tool. Beyond that, it's simply directing them to something. If you want to capture an image, you can click here, capture that image, use our annotation tools, maybe an arrow here, we can point up to the device and even put some notes in on this. And in clicking the OK button, it's saved over here on the side. So you can have the resident move to a different area. You can capture another image, maybe use a different annotation tool, make additional notes, and save it, right? So this is a high definition camera. So things like serial numbers you can easily capture. You can then use your annotation tool to highlight that serial number, make any notes on it you care, etc. So maybe you've done a whole bunch of screenshots, you've inspected this. You can now have, direct that person that they can leave the inspection, from their phone, and you can end the inspection here. And from this, you can result the inspection, pass, fail, other, whatever type of information you have here that you want to include. You can also include a lot of additional summary information. Maybe you take a few minutes to include that. and submit your inspection results. Okay, so now we can come right back to the completed inspections, and you'll see that inspection I just completed here is here. I can review that inspection. All the information is there, and the report is immediately there. The inspection video takes a minute, but you can download this report. You can see this report has all the information, the fact that it failed, the summary, the location verification, but we also have all those screenshots for you, right? With the annotation, with the notes, everything you included there that you can even take this report and send it to the person you just inspected, which some of our customers do. So very simple kind of process here. Hopefully that was helpful for you. Thank you very much.